Thais is a Mexican company founded in 2007 with the vision of becoming the leader in ethanol production in Mexico. During this period, Thais has been developing the project of its first ethanol plant. This plant will use sweet sorghum syrup and bagasse to produce 36 million gallons of ethanol and 195,000 megawatts per hour of electric power per year respectively. By using 100% biomass, this energy-efficient plant design will allow Thais to access more than 100,000 tons of carbon credits per year according to the Clean Development Mechanism. The crop. Thais chose sweet sorghum as the best feedstock for ethanol processing in Mexico for its several advantages over other crops. No food diverted to fuel. No land use change impact. Positive energy balance, input-output 1:8. 80% greenhouse gases reduction. Lowest comparative cost over other typically used feedstocks. Working with Praj Industries, a world leader in ethanol production technology, and reputed official research institutions in Mexico, such as the State of Nuevo León University and the Research Institute of the Mexican Government Department of Agriculture, Thais has invested 2 years of applied research and field experimentation in the selection, adaptation, and overall knowledge of the agronomic characteristics of sweet sorghum. This knowledge has provided Thais with a unique and competitive advantage that has been officially recognized by the maximum institution for the science and technology development in Mexico, the CONACYT. Sustainable and best cost supply. 2.1 million metric tons of sweet sorghum per year will be supplied throughout approximately 240 days of planned harvesting by an estimated 110 rural companies. These companies are in the process, today, of signing a long-term contract that the individual landowners already committed to endorse through a letter of intention. Thais will orchestrate the actual production of the required 40,000 acres in 2 cycles, using state-of-the-art and large-scale farming practices in production modules of 330 acres minimum. Additionally, a group of peripheral companies has been created to capitalize the benefits of scale along the supply chain for the associate producers of sweet sorghum. Minimum economic size farming lots and the central coordination and delivery of all the services and farming supplies directly from the original manufacturers and suppliers will guarantee the best cost and maximum yield. Proven and available technology. Ethanol from sweet sorghum is regularly produced today. The plant design and operation are very similar to a sugar cane plant, and Thais has been working with Praj Industries to produce the conceptual engineering for its project. To ensure the construction of the ethanol plants on time, within budget, and with the appropriate performance guarantees, Thais has incorporated in its business model the cost of contracting a world-class EPC company. Secure market. Fuel ethanol use is incentivized by government's mandates. Just in the U.S., a 4 times growth from the current consumption of 9 billion gallons has been mandated by 2022. Of this significant growth, 75% must be covered by advanced biofuels, which are defined by the Renewable Fuels Standards as those having a greenhouse gases emissions reduction exceeding 50%. With 80% reduction of GHG, Thais' ethanol will access this specific market. The Gulf Coast, our initial target market in the U.S., today has a 700 million gallon per year deficit. Our ethanol plant will supply this market from the Altamira port with logistics and cost advantages over actual suppliers from Brazil and the Corn Belt. The ethanol will be commercialized to this region through a long-term contract with a global marketer. Its differentiated product characteristics, market dynamics advantages, proven and available technology, based in leading knowledge of the best crop for ethanol in Mexico, are the solid fundamentals of Thais' attractive business model. Ty's group of entrepreneurs, with complementary and successful top management level experience in addition to their shared philosophy, is the final and most distinctive element in the implementation of our vision.